common mistakes plenty of Nigerians are making right now buying stocks. So watch to the end to know if you're among those Nigerians. We cannot deny the fact that Nigerian stock markets have been booming for the past few months. We are hearing times 250%, times 200% on top performing stocks. What is that? It's triggering most Nigerians, in fact a lot of Nigerians, to start going into stocks without even knowing fundamentals of stocks or shares. So based on the spikes here and there in companies for their shares, a lot of Nigerians don't want to miss out on any profits. But once they hear this is booming, that is booming, they rush to put in their money to invest in that stock to be part of the profits on the next run. But that's where the mistake happens. They don't know the company, they don't know the liquidity, and they don't know what the market is saying currently. If you have made any kind of investments without knowing any of these things, then your capital or profits is at risk. You should know the company, the industry, what they do, or how they make their profits. You should also know the liquidity. Now, liquidity means if you buy a shares, how quick can someone else buy that shares from you? And then the market, if it's a pump season or if it's a dump season. Now, most people get into the market at the pump season, meaning that sometimes investors have inner circles where they pump in money and then it raises that stock a lot higher than it's supposed to be, and then a lot of novices put in their money, and by that time they draw out their investments, leaving you with a dump, a serious fall in price. Now, the second thing that happens is if the liquidity of that company is very low, meaning when it's dumping, you can't even sell because nobody else is ready to buy. And then thirdly, the company, what it stands for or how strong that company is, if it will eventually rise again. So if you have not done any of these three research, think twice before you make that next investment, and follow us for more so that we can give you more insights and tips to help your finances grow better.